1. What is a computer network? A collection of interconnected computers and devices that can communicate and share resources. 2. What is Internet? Interconnection of wide area networks. 3. What is Bluetooth? Bluetooth is a wireless technology used to create a wireless personal area network for data transfer up to a distance of 10 meters. It operates on 2.45 GHz frequency band for transmission. 4. Which of the following computer networks is built on the top of another network? Overlay network. 5. What is the full form of OSI? Open System Interconnection. 6. When a collection of various computers appears as a single coherent system to its clients, what is this called? Distributed system. 7. How many layers are there in the ISO OSI reference model? 7. 8. What are nodes in a computer network? A node can be anything that is capable of sending data or receiving data, or even routing the data to its destination. Routers, computers, and smartphones are some examples of network nodes. 9. Which one of the following is not a function of network layer? Error control. 10. How is a single channel shared by multiple signals in a computer network? Multiplexing. 11. Which of the following devices forwards packets between networks by processing the routing information included in the packet? Router. 12. What is the term for an endpoint of an inter-process communication flow across a computer network? Socket. 13. How do two devices become part of a network? A process in one device is able to exchange information with a process in another device. 14. Which layer does the data link layer take packets from and encapsulate them into frames for transmission? Network layer. 15. Which of this is not a network edge device? Switch. 16. Which type of network shares the communication channel among all the machines? Broadcast network. 17. Which topology requires a multi-point connection? Bus. 18. Which of the following maintains the domain name system? Distributed database system. 19. When discussing IDs IPS, what is a signature? Attack definition file. 20. What are gigabit Ethernets? In computer networking, gigabit Ethernet, GBE or 1 gig-E, is a term describing various technologies for transmitting Ethernet frames at a rate of a gigabit per second, 1 billion bits per second, as defined by the IEEE 802.3 to 2008 standard. It came into use beginning in 1999. 21. Which of the following networks extends a private network across public networks? Virtual private network. 22. Which layer is responsible for process-to-process delivery in a general network model? Transport layer. 23. What does each packet contain in a virtual circuit network? A short VC number. 24. What is the term for the data communication system within a building or campus? LAN. 25. What was the name of the first network? ARPANET.